we're having a very high-level conversations, which is exactly where we'd like to be, and because we're introducing a new workflow and a new idea of kind of how work could be done within these larger firms. So I think we're having really good discussions with thought leaders. So it's been very, very beneficial. It's a good question. I think monetarily couldn't give you one. I know I'd throw a lot at it if that's a good range, but in terms of timing, it would take a fair amount of time, right, to actually get the right stakeholders in the right room to have the right discussions. Yeah, it would definitely take a fair bit of time too. So no exact numbers, but a lot, if that's a good number for you. Delegates here have been very kind with their time and have really good discussions. So I think with their time and just engagement has been a good differentiating factor from other trade shows. No, I think that's actually been a very unique factor too. So actually having the team discuss and learn a little bit about our technology too, as if they were a solution provider, added a really good connection points. So they kind of knew, like, okay, I think I've heard this discussion before, and have helped initiate some really good conversations with us that we probably wouldn't have done if not, from the unique connection from them kind of, linking it all together. So it's been very engaging.